Alright, well, I'm not really sure, but I decided, since this is a process that I'm doing here, I might as well make a video on it. So here I am. I've got my, Be the Match here. I'm, going to sign up to be a bone marrow donor, if I get a match to someone who is in need, which I heard about from the H3 podcast. I'm here in my car in the post office parking lot where I just picked up my kit. It was just delivered to me a few days ago, it looks like. Came real fast. So let me go ahead and read what this says. So thanks for signing up. It only takes a few minutes to do, so go ahead and do it right now. And I was like, well, I mean, why not? I'm at the post office. So be sure to follow all the instructions, barcode labels, return it as soon as possible. Also, there's a ton of people here trying to get their mail, so I'm gonna look like a little bit of a fool in here reading to myself and swabbing my cheeks by myself. Oh my god. Okay, so I couldn't find a good place to put my phone, so I am over here contorting my body to hopefully look at you. Anyways, so they'll add me to the registry after about 6 to 8 weeks, when they're processing my DNA. Then they'll send me a letter with my ID card, and I will be an official registry member, and I can get called in if I get a match. So that's pretty exciting. Let's see. They're gonna keep sending me some stuff about my membership, what it's like to donate, and what it means to be a member. Let's see. P.S. Take a selfie while you swab and share it on social media. Hashtag be the match. Because swabbing could turn out to be the most important moments in your life and the life of a searching patient, which I totally agree. I think that it's really important to help each other, and if this is the least I could do, then absolutely sign me up. Whew! This is a little nerve-wracking with a few other people just going about their day around me, but I am good on in here. We're gonna do this with no cuts. We're already at 3 minutes, so let's get these gosh dang swabs in my mouth. So I've got my Be the One to Save a Life here. They have my instructions in here, with a little adhesive strip. They want me to put these barcodes around each of these at the bottom, and one in each cheek, and then I put it on here. So first, they want me to remove this peely layer here, and there we go, removed. I don't have a trash can in my car. It goes on the floor. All right. Whew, okay, so I'm gonna put this down, and I'll read each step here. I am going to swallow, then brush the swab inside my cheek and along the gum line for 10 seconds. All right. This is so weird. Okay. Oh my god, there's more people coming to the post office. Is this a dry swab? It looks like a dry swab. All right. Okay. Swallow. And then 10 seconds. Okay. I'm nervous. I feel like I got this really wet. Second step here, we're gonna put this barcode around the bottom. Oof. Like a flag, it says. Oh my god, I couldn't have made that more perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick it on here. I just did my left side. Oh boy, come on. I just did my left side, so now is my right. It says, if I have dropped a stick, please throw it away. It can be submitted with one swab. That's something to keep in mind. I am hopefully not going to touch anything else but my cheek with these. Okay, so we're done with step 3. Wrap the barcode and stick it on there. Or that's step 4, sticking it on there. So step 5, repeat with the second swab. Swallow in 10 seconds. All right. Fucking hope so. Hope that's it. I hope that's good. All right, place cardboard kit into the return envelope. Seal and return as instructed. So, hey, I guess I'll just take you over since I'm going on over there, and we'll mail it together. All right, so I've got all my garbage here. Empty, empty. Okay. Place cardboard kit. This is my cardboard kit. Seal and return. I guess this is it. Okay. We're putting it in our return envelope. Exempt human specimen. Nice. I hope no one else steals my identity from my DNA. Alright, I guess that's it. We're gonna go and... oh god, there's so many people out here. Alright, who really cares? I don't. Alright, we're gonna go. We're gonna go and... shit, this is so awkward. Oh, there's a teenager out there. They're gonna know what I'm fucking doing. Ugh. Alright, ready? Okay. Oh god, okay. Oh my god, there's just more people coming to this post office. Alright, I'm such a pussy. They're watching me. Jesus Christ. Alright, well. Oh god, I hate myself. Okay, great. Thanks for tuning in. That was a good 8 minutes hanging out with me. I hope you had fun. I'm in scrubs because I work at a vet office. You're welcome. Okay. Oh, I'll send an update when I get something new, I guess, or if I end up being called upon to donate my marrow. Hopefully that'll happen eventually. That would be really cool. I'd love to save a life. All right, you go do that too. It was really easy. I literally dilly-dallied and did it in less than 10 minutes, so now you hear my out of shape ass. Oh god, okay, I'm gonna end it here. It's just getting worse.